Good morning, guys. Today is the first day of our coastal Odyssey expedition, and we are flagging off from Kolkata. Also, we would be covering roughly around 7,000 kilometers on the Odo within a time span of 21 days, and also we will be covering 10 states all along the coastline. Also, in this expedition, we have participants from different spheres of life and different walks of life, and let's see what the expedition has in store for us. And I hope it's gonna be a phenomenal one. Cheers.
मेरा डैश खाली नहीं पड़ा है मेरा डैश अच्छा
Hello, hi. I'm Satyam, and I'm from the team Radio City. So हम निकले एक जर्नी पर covering the entire coastal line. I was so excited to know कि ये इंडिया की सबसे पहली सस्टेनेबल कोस्टल एक्सपेडिशन है. अभी हम विशाखापट्टनम बेस से निकले हैं. We were into submarines. वो एक्सपीरियंस कमाल का था. हम वॉरशिप पर गए, वो एक्सपीरियंस कमाल का था. कमाल के ऑफिसर्स से मिले. ओवरऑल जर्नी की अगर मैं बात करूं तो इस जर्नी ने बहुत कुछ दिखाया, बहुत कुछ सिखाया, बहुत कुछ दिखाया इस तरीके से कि हमने बहुत सारे लैंडस्केप्स देखे. पहली तो बात यह है कि इस पूरी कोस्टल लाइन पर ड्राइव करना ही बड़ा थ्रिलिंग है, बड़ा एक्साइटिंग है. बिकॉज एक तरफ आपके समुद्र है, दूसरी तरफ आपके पास लश ग्रीन फ्लोरा फौना सारी चीज़ें हैं, एंड इट इज़ एन अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस.
Makar Sankranti today in Machilipatnam. They had a festival of Makar Sankranti, so we attended that. We enjoyed with them. Then we had food. The food was very good. Today we will be going to Nellore, and from Nellore we will exit, and then further from Mumbai we may carry on to till Kandla.
With this, at least we have been able to cross 3 states so far, namely Bengal, Orissa, Andhra, and now we will be entering Chennai, that is Tamil Nadu, that is the 4th state. Within this 3 days and outspan of 4 states, we have almost covered a number of communities about whom we never knew, or we knew it barely little. These fishermen communities who have been residing next to the sea, who have, with great difficulties they earn their own livelihood, and how they put their lives in danger to earn that livelihood. I mean, it is amazing.
आशियाना ओ अनजाने राहों में तू क्या ढूंढता फिरे दूर जिसको समझा वो तो पास है तेरे
तेरा ये आशियाना मेरा भी आशियाना तो अनजाने राहों में फिर क्या ढूंढता फिरे दूर जिसको समझा वो तो पास है तेरे
I've met people from all walks of life, people who have done incredible things in their lives and achieved everything imaginable and more. Being out with these set of people has been an incredible journey. I've learned so much, and I'm not wrong to say, but my entire lifespan has not been equal to the amount of experiences these people have on the roads while traveling, and thus the learning opportunity has expanded horizons for me. When you're on a road trip like this, especially a really unique experience like the Coastal Odyssey, in which we're covering about 6,200 kilometers all across the coast of India, which no one has been able to do before in such a short span of time, you get to learn a lot of new things.
We went to Dhanushkoti at Rameshwaram, the place where the last point of India, and then you have the Ram Setu. So we could cover the last road, wherever the road could end, till that portion where you have sea on both the sides, and the end point is from where the Ram Setu takes us to Sri Lanka. We learnt about time management and the different routes that we covered. The exigency plans were on the spot, and we made sure that we are covering most of the places, the unexplored places in the coastal part of India, and also we drove the eco-friendly vehicles. So this is part of the sustainability move of the Incredible India journey.
What is there which we are not exploring? That's what I want to bring it out. You just see the features out here, the trees, the clean beaches, and there are so many things to explore. I'm telling you, I'm loving this place and loving this expedition organized by Lexus, as well as the promotion to these places where our total old heritage and culture. This is the place where one should come, have a good time. That is what we are missing. Now, what is the aim of this expedition? This aim of this expedition is to promote our old heritage, our old forts, our ports, temples, the culture of these fishing communities which are there in the coastal areas, and the clean and peaceful beaches where you have not even gone. You go to Pattaya, you go to every other places, but have you been to our own nation? This is what, being an Indian, I am telling you, please explore your own country and promote the tourism. Let the people come here. Very clean and very peaceful areas we have all through the coastal areas.
Hi people, today we are in Karnataka in a place called as Honavar. This is a hidden treasure. This used to be the major shipping route for the Arabs into the spice land of India, and it consists of pretty backwaters and islands and mangrove forests, and it is a paradise for any tourist or explorer coming to this part of the country.
As we know that most of the people, they travel to different places, and majorly right now we are in Goa. We started in from Calcutta, we'll be ending in Kandla, and connecting all the coastal regions is very essential for our tourism, as we are having the largest peninsular country in the world, and connecting all the cultures and these coastal regions is a very good thing that we should be looking forward to.
It has been a lovely journey of 14 days till now. We are on a coastal odyssey, which actually means that we are traveling throughout all the 10 states of India, which are borderline by the sea or the ocean for that matter, and the journey has been amazing. And I'd also like to state that we are undertaking this odyssey as a part of the sustainability mission by the Indian government and Mr. Narendra Modi, our Prime Minister. I'm on the co-driver's seat, and I kind of get to experience firsthand the kind of luxury that exudes and emanates from this vehicle right from the word go. It has been a lovely and a very pleasurable experience.
12वीं सदी में इस किले का निर्माण मिर्ज़ा वली बेग के नेतृत्व के नीचे राजा भोज ने किया था। 1195 से लेकर 1205 तक का पीरियड इसको बनाने में लगा। इसका पहला नाम था घेरिया और इसका पहला एरिया था सिर्फ 5 एकड़ में। बाद में वो बहामनी सल्तनत के हाथ में गया, उसके बाद में आदिल शाह के पास, और आदिल शाह के पास से 16 फरवरी 1653 में छत्रपति शिवराय ने जीत के लिया। जब ये जीता तभी विजय संवत्सर चालू था, इसीलिए उन्होंने इस किले का नाम विजय दुर्ग किया।
Goosebump moments. This land is the land of warriors of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the Mawlas. The Konkan coast is replete with India's maritime military prowess. All along this route, we have witnessed amazing marvels of military and engineering geniuses in making of the coastal forts. We are standing at Guaghar. Guaghar is replete with the martial spirit of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. And the amazing beach which you see behind me leaves you spellbound. It is a calling for people in India to visit this, to immerse themselves in their cultural history, in their military history and past, to draw inspiration from the same.
I think this venture would provide a very big insight into whatever is already there, and then you will also be able to advise the authorities on where are the gaps, so to make it completely, absolutely enjoyable drive. So I wish the team Coastal Odyssey all the best for the remaining of the journey, and I wish you would have told me in time, I also would have joined you. Good luck.
Go watch the beaches, go watch the real beauty. For example, the Honorable Prime Minister went to Lakshadweep and see how it all started. I want you to be equivalent brand ambassador of your country. प्रधानमंत्री के भरोसे ही रहोगे? सब तुम्हारा बाप करके दे, तुम्हारा प्रधानमंत्री करे, तुम्हारा राष्ट्रपति करे, तुम क्या करोगे नालायको? So it is better you take the responsibility. Become the brand ambassador of your country. Become the brand ambassador of those forts which have not been spoken by anyone. For example, छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज का आप किसी भी फोर्ट को, तो ये इकलौती ऐसी जर्नी है जहाँ पर सभी के बारे में बात हो रही है, जहाँ सभी के बारे में बताया जा रहा है. This team belongs to warriors. I'm a part of this team. I'm not a warrior. I'm just a civilian, but at the same time, गर्व वाला है ना. I'm a very proud Indian who feels that this country must be explored by all the people. But before that, Indians must explore it.
Hey everyone, so this is a 17th day of a coastal odyssey, and after crossing Bombay, we've reached Umbergaon, and so this beach is beautiful and has a lot of snacking options. As you all know that Gujaratis are the snackers, and a lot of garbage has been thrown around here. So beautiful place, beautiful beach, and we'll move forward from here through the coastline towards Gujarat, and looking forward to explore Gujarat and the coastal areas of it.
It was a very interesting journey, and we have completed this journey in record time. This is the best expedition ever I have done in my entire life. We have started from Kolkata on 9th of January with Lexus cars and under the guidance of Oxbow Media. And I must tell you, we as a Indian should visit all these pristine villages, coastal communities and beaches which are unexplored.